Here we go again, and another one. We got a booster over here. You know what I mean? Yo, don't push this. They don't stop. They keep going. You know what I'm saying? Yo, subscribe to this channel and to the channel who provided this video. And like this video, we're gonna get straight into it. Let's go.
Are you ready? She in the self-checkout? Uh-huh. Okay. Camouflage cat? Uh-huh. Okay. Hi. How's it going?
I'm doing fine.
Okay. Well, the store asked me to stop you because they saw that you weren't paying for some of the items.
I did, and I promise you I did. She just came right there.
Yeah, girl, you know you got caught as soon as she asked you how you doing. Nobody cares about how you doing when they ask you how you doing like that. You doing fine. Yeah, right.
I was right there paying. You can check the receipt. I paid for everything.
Okay.
Look how defensive she is. Look at them hands go to movements.
Can I see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
I mean, sir.
All right. Now let's move over here.
And if all my stuff on my receipt, what's going to happen then if they thought I was stealing? Okay, please check it.
Okay. And
I have 3 letters.
Okay, I will. I'm not going to arrest you. They just want you no trespass. Okay? That's it? So, do you have your driver's license with you?
I don't drive.
Okay. Do you have an ID?
No, I don't drive. I'm with somebody else.
Okay. Yeah, I already stopped your other friend.
Who?
I don't remember her name.
Oh.
But you guys came here in a Mitsubishi. So, I already talked to her.
Okay.
She's already been no trespass because she's already been seen stealing twice now.
What, from here?
Yes. She walked out with merchandise twice.
So now
Well, she put down a basket.
Yeah,
She left the basket.
No, this was my basket. I left it right there to go get some lines.
Well, she was pushing it around, and then she left it there, and then you picked it up. So, which leads us to believe you guys are together, okay? Because you guys are pushing.
What up? This right here. This was my.
Okay. Like I said, you're not going to be arrested.
Okay.
They just want you to know trespass, okay?
Y'all better stop believing those videos that y'all see with y'all own eyes. And y'all better start believing what we tell y'all.
What's your name?
Melinda Wynn.
Last name is Wynn, W-Y-N-N. First name is Melinda.
Can you check my stuff, please?
Can I get a store associate? Can you just do a receipt check for me? Now, is there anything that is not on the receipt? Because they're going to do a receipt
Everything is
check.
on there.
And as of right now, they just want you to know trespass.
Everything.
Okay? I'm just letting you know what's going to happen.
Cause I didn't steal nothing. Everything, I put everything right there.
Okay. Well, back off her a little bit.
Please wait. System processing.
And see, it came out to 128.
To a cashier for payment.
Everything I just reran came to 133.22. And hers was 120.52.
Oh, that's a little more. You stole something in that.
Okay. They're going to remove the items that weren't paid for. Okay. All right. So, come with me for a second.
Okay.
You're going to sit in my car for a second while I go talk to your sister and get your driver's license or ID, whatever it is. Okay? And then you're going to be no trespass, and then you're going to be let go. Right over here.
Where my sister?
She's parked over there. Come on. Like I said.
No, my shoe. I dropped my shoe.
So just have a seat for a second. I'm going to go get your ID.
Why I gotta sit in the car?
Because I can't. I don't have enough people here to where.
Well, can you call? I don't. She gone.
Come on.
Let's just go back, cause she gone, and I want my stuff. Can we?
Oh, it's trying to control the situation. Girl, you ain't the police. You got caught doing what you did.
Just go back and get the car,
have a seat
please?
for 30 seconds. Okay? That's all I need you to do.
Why are you touching? There she go.
Okay, well have a seat. You keep making this difficult.
I'm not. I gotta sit in the car for what? I don't.
They're gonna thigh slapping.
I want to, please. Can you?
If you don't,
I just want to go back in.
If you don't, then I am going to arrest you. Okay? So have a seat.
For what though?
Well, over here.
Okay.
Come on. Oh, stop. Come on, over here.
Sir, can you please?
She trying to get away.
Shanae!
Come on.
Sir, why are you acting so rough with me,
I am
sir?
not. You are not.
You are.
As I asked. Have a seat.
Why have to get in the car? Sir, why are you acting so? No, please. Okay, I'm gonna get in. Okay.
Have a seat.
Okay.
Right now.
Okay.
This is the last time I ask.
Okay, I am. I am. Can you let me go?
Put your shoes on.
Put on your running shoes, girl.
I can't believe
Come
that.
on, Melinda.
Sydney!
This is it.
Sir, can you please stop? Sir, no, I am. Can you stop, sir?
She want her sister to pull up, and if her name is really Shanice, she is snitching on your ass. You the getaway driver, girl.
Okay, sir, I am. Please don't do that to me, sir.
She like, Shanice, we got caught.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. Just don't act so rough with me, sir.
Sit.
Okay. Excuse me, can y'all get my sister?
She ain't making no sense. How you gonna act like you gonna go in the car, then close the door?
Okay, sir, I am, please. I am. Sir, okay. You hit me in my mouth, sir. I'm not. Can y'all record? Okay, sir, I'm gonna get in. I promise you. Please, okay?
You said that 10 times.
Get it in.
Okay, I promise. I'm sorry.
Now.
Can you calm down? I'm sorry.
Let go.
I'm sorry.
Let go.
Okay.
Let go.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. Can you stop?
Melinda.
I said okay.
I'm not going to keep doing this with you.
Okay, I'm gonna get in. Just walk
do
with
it.
me.
You have proven yourself to be a liar. You're non-trustworthy.
Let's go.
Don't touch me like that. Okay. Sir, you keep on touching me like.
You're not doing as I ask you to.
Okay, why do I have to? You not say you said I'm gonna be going to jail for what?
Because you're not.
She one of those girls where she promised she gonna do something with you, like if she dating somebody. Yeah, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that. Then when it get to that point, she gonna come up with an excuse trying to argue, so it won't happen. She one of those type
Giving
of.
me your correct
Look what
name. You lied. You stole things.
I didn't steal.
Have a seat in the
Can
back
we
of my
go
car.
get the man? Could you go get the workers, please? I didn't steal, sir.
You didn't pay for things.
Why you didn't take her to jail then? The other girl, she stole.
Telling it all.
And I didn't. I didn't steal. Don't touch me. I'ma get in the car. Just please tell me.
2023 to Dennis Lachey out of Gary, Indiana. Coming back on the 716 Gabriel. I got the call on the
Okay.
Come on.
Huh?
Yes, please. Get the thief on camera, please.
I'm not a thief. The other lady stole.
Come on. Have a seat in the car.
The other lady stole it, not me. Like, I didn't steal
She keep
nothing,
closing the
please. Excuse me, can you get my sister from my... Sherelle, there go my sister.
Yeah.
Sherelle, get her my ID, sis. Hurry up, Sherelle.
You got 449. Where's the other?
There she go, my sister. Get her my ID. Sherelle, get her my ID. Hurry up. Sherelle, get her my ID.
Have a seat in the car. I am trying not to be rough with you. Have a seat in the car. Sit down.
Sherelle, can you get her my ID?
Sit down in the car.
Look, she got it. I need some air. I be having asthma attacks. I can't sit in
Okay,
a... I'm not...
Oh God, here we go.
Don't do nothing
Have a seat in the
wrong.
car.
She right there, my sister. Sherelle, get her my ID.
Sit in the
You
car.
can
She got more excuses than a black man going to jail.
put me in cuffs and I can sit out here, please. I just won't. I be having asthma attacks in a hard car. Just please, I'm complying with you. I just don't want to sit in the car.
That's it.
My sister right there with the ID, please, sir. She right
Have
there.
a seat.
Because I don't want you to make this work. He's going to cut the air on for you.
It's too late for
My
that.
sister right there.
That's great. Have a seat in the car.
Sherelle, get her my ID and I'm bleeding. He cut me with the cuffs.
Oh, you mean the cuffs that you grabbed and tried to rip
No,
out my hand?
I didn't touch you, sir. They got it on camera.
I got it on camera. Have a seat inside the car.
Go ahead, have a seat in the car. He'll cut the air on. I'll make sure he cuts the air on. Because I don't want this to escalate, okay? Go ahead, have a seat in the car.
Sherelle, can you get her my ID, please?
all this because you stole.
I didn't steal.
You did.
That
There's
shit
stuff
on
that
the
you didn't ring up.
Sherelle, that shit on the receipt.
It's not on the receipt. Have a seat inside the car.
I ain't never seen an officer take this long to put somebody in the car without tasering or something. Come on.
Sherelle, please, sis. Get her my ID.
I am trying not to be rough with you.
I know you're not. I'm not finna run, sir. I'm not running.
Sit down. That's it.
Here come other police's officers.
Yes,
I don't
because you're not doing
okay,
as you're
that's
told.
okay. They can do whatever. Sherelle.
Come on.
Everything you say to her is going through one ear to the next. Yo, her brain is on ghetto right now.
Like, no. Up. Surreal.
There you go. They go to sleep.
You just run
I knew she was trying to do that.
Hi.
What is he doing?
She stole
I'm
her.
not pulling off.
Move, bro.
I'm not pulling
Move, Junior.
off no car.
Junior,
I would turn it
I'm
off.
not pulling.
Junior. She's snitching on everybody.
Okay, I would turn it off. Give me the key.
He's smart. I like him.
I'm not pulling off no car, man.
For real. She's trying to crank it up for him.
Now you're in trouble.
Gotcha, bitch. Let me tell you something. You are not going to do that. He's good. He didn't do anything. Okay.
She said, stealing a little more than $10 is not good enough for me. Let me add some charges, some real charges, some felonies.
I don't want that. You looking for someone else? No. Okay. She gave me a bullshit name. Stole.
I didn't steal. Get the fuck off me.
I'm locking your cuffs. Shut up.
Back in the regular ID card.
All right, let's get her up.
Don't touch me.
Come on. Come on, stand up.
Y'all, cause y'all. I didn't do shit.
All you had to do is sit in the car. That's all you had to do. And now you're being arrested.
In the wrong damn car.
Stole $20 worth of stuff.
I didn't steal shit.
Come on.
Okay, $20.
Stop. Ridiculous.
Didn't even steal shit.
Sit down. Can you close the other door?
So you gotta be a bad thief to get caught stealing $20 worth of shit, and you don't brought all this other stuff. How did they catch you with the smaller stuff?
Stupid.
Hello, viewers. We would be most grateful if you would be so kind as to subscribe to our Logic on Steroids channel. Stop pretending that your derriere don't stink.
Lean back. I gotta buckle you in. I gotta buckle you in. Lean back.
And the victim award goes to...
Please, I don't want to go to jail, sir.
Nah, she
Please,
begging.
I'm sorry. I thought you were
Shut
gonna
up.
let me go.
Yeah, if you gave me a real name.
I said Monica.
What's your name?
Melinda Wynn.
Melinda?
I said Monica, please. That's it, my sir, please, sir.
This gives the worst, dog. She's manipulative. She's not a good person on this planet. I can't stand people who cannot be honest. I'm talking about she is a bad person. And she right where she's supposed to be at that moment. Hope she learned a lesson. Yo, subscribe to the channel who provided this video. Y'all support them, and they got more videos like this, I'm sure. And subscribe to Logic on Steroids. Like this video, I got more for you coming.